Welcome back, students. Today we are solving exercise 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6. Okay, now starts our class. In exercise 2.3, there are 10 questions. These questions are so easy. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is so simple question and same. So I solve only one questions. Remaining questions 2, 3, 4, 5 is your homework. Now question number 1 is 3x equal to 2x plus 18. So firstly in these questions we are separating the terms, like terms one side and numbers will be another side. Okay, so here this is your first question. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Here 2x comes here, so become minus 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Now when 2x comes here, so become minus, so 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. 3x minus 2x is equal to x, so answer will be 18. Okay, this is our answer, x is equal to 18. Now we are check also. चेक करना बिल्कुल सिंपल है. In this case, this we have the value of x, then x is equal to 18. So now 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. दोनों साइड्स की वैल्यू सेम आनी चाहिए. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो हेयर 3 into 18 and here 2 18 plus 18. Now 18 3 is 54 and here 18 2 is 36 plus 18. 36 plus 18 is equal to 54. So 54 is equal to 54. So hence verified. Both are same and equal. Okay. Now question number 2, 3, 4 and 5 is your homework. And question number 6 is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 bracket x minus 1 plus 7. So firstly we are multiply 3 into x and after that 3 into minus 1. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. Solve it. Like terms one side, so 3 comes here, this is x, and again 4 goes there. Plus minus minus 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, and again this 4 goes there, so this is also become minus 4. Solve the equations for x. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5x and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 5 go there, so x is equal to 0 upon 5 and answers is equal to 0. Okay, this is the solution of question number 6. This is question number 6 solution also. एंड चेक करना और है, तो इसके लिए वी हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x in both side. Put the value of x here and put the value of x is there. Okay, now question number 7. Now question number 7, 8 and 9 is the same questions. 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so watch these questions. Question number 7. Here x is equal to 4 by 5 x plus 10. Now firstly we are changing the digits. When 5 comes here, so this become multiply the form, and after that remaining numbers are 4 x plus 10. Now 4 multiply by x, so get 4x, and again 4 multiply by 10, so get 40. Same 4x goes there, remaining x, the value of x is equal to 40. Now put the both side, here put x, so x is equal to 40, then here also put x is equal to 40. Now clear, 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. Now cancel 5 10 ja and 4 10 ja 40. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So it is so clear questions. Firstly we have to multiply. After that find the value of x and put LHS and RHS both side. Okay. Same as question number 8. First we got the answer. After that put in both side, here and here. Okay. This becomes 23 upon 2, and this is also sorry, this is wrong here. This is 23 upon 3, and here is also 23 upon 3. Okay, it is clear. This is a mistake. Okay, here is 3. Now on next question, question number 10. 9 is simple, same as question number 6, 7, 8. Now question number 10 is 3m is equal to 5m. So firstly we remove m, so here 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. So 8 upon 5 comes here, so this becomes positive number, and when 3 goes there, so this becomes minus m. Solve them. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2m, and here 8 upon 5, so 2m is equal to 8 upon 5. Now 2 multiply by 5, so this is here 2 multiply by 5, so 8 by 5 multiply 1 by 2 and solve for m. So we got m is equal to 4 upon 9. After that check the answer, so put both side, here m 4 upon 5, so got 12 upon 5. Again put the value of m here, 4 upon 5, so we get also 12 upon 5. Both are equal, so we hence prove LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Exercise 2.4 is a word problem exercise. Here question number 1 is Amina thinks a number. Okay. Suppose she think number x. Now subtract from 5 by 2. So subtract from 5 by 2. Subtract 5 by 2 from 8. Okay, so subtract, suppose this is a number, and subtract 5 by 2 from 8. And again multiply by the result by 8. And जो result आया उसे multiply by 8. The result obtained 3 times of the same number. Okay, means this become 3 times of the same number. Now solve these equations for x. So we got x is equal to 4. It means 4 is the number. Simple. Now second question is a positive number is 5 times another number. Suppose another number be x, then positive numbers be 5x. Okay. According to questions, 21 added to both means 21 added 5x and 21 added 2x. Suppose this is a number and positive numbers be 5 times of it. When we added 21 both means 21 add here and 21 add here. Now the new numbers become twice the other number, means जो नया नंबर है वो पॉजिटिव नंबर्स का ट्वाइस हो जाता है. इट मीन्स जो नया नंबर है, ये जो नया नंबर है, अनदर नंबर इज ट्वाइस द पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. ओके, सो बस solve these equations. Now solve these equations for x. So we got x is equal to 7. Hence we can say another number is 7 and positive number is 7 5 is 35. Okay. Now question number 3. Sum of the digit of two-digit number is 9. When interchanging the digit, it found the result by numbers of greater than original numbers by 27. What is the number? Suppose here in the questions, according to question, here are two-digit number. This is unit place and this is tens place. Unit place is also told once. Okay, so we can let easily suppose the unit place of two-digit number be x and 10 place be 9 minus, because in according to question sum of the two digit is 9, मीन्स ऐसे दो नंबर्स का सम 9 है. सपोज एक x है तो ये दूसरा कितना हो जाएगा 9 माइनस एक्स, ये इस तरफ चला जाएगा. ओके, देन सेकेंड नंबर इज इक्वल टू 9 माइनस एक्स. So the formula of numbers, number is equal to 10 into 10 place plus unit place. Okay, this is the formula of number. Number is equal to 10 into 10 place plus unit place. So here we have unit place is equal to x and 10 place is equal to 9 minus x. So numbers, original numbers become 10 into 10 place. 10 place is 9 minus x and plus unit place. Unit place is equal to x. Okay, this is original number. But again, according to questions, new number is equal to original number plus 27. It means यदि हम इनकी डिजिट्स को इंटरचेंज कर दें, कहने का मतलब जो यूनिट प्लेस पर था वो 10 प्लेस पर आ जाए और जो 10 प्लेस पर था वो यूनिट प्लेस पर आ जाए, मतलब 10 प्लेस यहाँ आ जाए, यूनिट प्लेस इधर चला जाए. सपोज कोई 26 नंबर है तो इंटरचेंज डिजिट हो जाए, दिस बिकम 62. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन इज डेट. नाउ द नंबर्स बिकम, this is ones and this is tens, so new number is this become units mean ones and this becomes tens. Okay, now the new number is 10 into 10 place plus unit place. Okay, this is new numbers, original numbers. Okay, according to questions this number is 27 more than the new number. Now solve for x, we get x is equal to 6, therefore the numbers is equal to 10 into 10 place plus unit place. Here the value of x is 6, so 9 minus 6 plus 6, we got 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, 3 10 ja 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. Okay, this is our answer 36. This is our answer 36. Okay, now question number 4 is a same as question number 3. So you have to solve question number 4 is your homework. This is your homework. Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5 is Shobos mother present age is 6 times the Shobos present age. Means Shobos की mother की age Shobos की age की present time की 6 times. Suppose the age of Shobo which will be x. Now mother's age will be 6 times. यदि किसी की x है तो mother's उसकी 6 times है. Okay, according to question Shobo's age 5 years from now will 1/3 of his mother means so 5 साल बाद, यदि शोभो की एज x है तो 5 साल बाद ये कितने का हो जाएगा x + 5 का, एंड इसकी मदर कितने की थी 6x की, तो 5 साल बाद ये अपनी मदर का 1/3 हो जाता है, 1/3. Now solve for x. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So x plus 5 is equal to 2x, and x comes here, so we got x is equal to 5. It means age of Sobos is equal to 5 and age of mother be 6 5 the 30. Okay, this is our answer. Now question number 6 is the same as question number 5 and 4. According to his questions, question number 6 is, there is a narrow rectangle plot received for a result for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of plot are the ratios. Means the ratios of length and breadth is 11:4. At the rate of 100 per meter square, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. What is the dimension of plot? Now, in this question, suppose 11x is the length and 4x is the breadth. Okay. Now, parameter of the plot is total cost of plot upon cost of 1 meter. So here total cost is 75,000 and cost of 1 meter is equal to 100 per meter square. Total cost is 75 and per cost of 1 meter is equal to 100. So easily we divide, 2 zeros cancel, left 750. So this is parameters. So parameter of plot is equal to 750. Okay. But we know that the parameter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Here L is equal to 11 and B is equal to 4. A is equal to 11x, length is equal to 11x and breadth is equal to 4x. Now put in this equation and solve for x. So we got x is equal to 25. So we can say easily length is equal to 11 into 25. So 275 and breadth of rectangle is equal to 4x. Now put the value of x. So we got 4x means 4 into 25. So it is equal to 100 meter. Now 275 is a length and 100 meter is our breadth. Okay. Now question number 7 is, Hussein buys 2 kinds of cloth material for school uniform and shirt material that cost, the cost of shirt materials, okay, is 50 rupees per meter and trouser material is 90 rupees per meter. For 2 meters of trouser material, he buys 3 meters of shirt material and he sells the material at 12% and 10% respectively. His total sale is 36,000. So we have to find how much trouser material did he buy. Okay, कितना material ने खरीदा. Now the ratios of shirt and materials, shirts and trousers are 3x and 2x. That is led by us. Now the cost of shirt is 50. So total cost is equal to 50x. And according to question, selling on it, he gained 12%. So we using the formula of percent and get the percent. So gain 12% is become 168x. Okay. Now the cost of trousers is equal to 90. So total cost is equal to 180x. Now using the selling price, again 12% gain. So we got the answer 198. Then according to question, total he sell, according to question, this is one materials and this is second material. So total material is equal to this add net and according to question, his total sale is 36,600. So solve for x. So we got x is equal to 100 meter. Now we can say easily materials of trouser is equal to 2x means 200, and hence Hussein bought 200 meter for the trousers of material. Okay, this is our answer. Question number 8, half of deer, suppose the number of total deer be x, इन आधों में से, इन टोटल डियर्स में से हाफ grazing the grass. So according to questions, x minus x by 2, okay, and 1/4 of remaining 3/4, इसका 3/4 जो ये नंबर्स आया है अपने पास x माइनस एक्स बाई 2 जो कि ग्रेजिंग कर रहे थे, इतनों का 3/4 और हाफ जो खा रहे थे, जो कि टोटल हो जाएंगे अपने टोटल डियर्स के बराबर. ये इक्वेशन सबसे पहले अपन को बनानी है. इसके बाद रिमेनिंग डियर्स भी 9. सो सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन फॉर x. फर्स्टली मल्टीप्लाई बाय, फर्स्टली वी टेक दिस बिकम x अपॉन 1. पहले इसको सॉल्व करना है टेकिंग एलसीएम. आफ्टर दैट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3/4 and again solve for x. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to solve this question in your homework. If you are in doubt, see this solution. Then we have to find the total numbers of deer be 72. Okay, question number 9 is grandfather of 10 years older than his granddaughter. So let the present age of granddaughter be x, then grandfather age is 10x, because this is he is 10 times. According to question, age of grandfather is 54 years older than. So when we added 54 from x, so this become equal. Okay, now solve for x. We got x is equal to 6. So granddaughter age is 6 and grandfather is equal to 60. Okay, question number 10 same as question number 9. You have to solve this question in your homework. This is Aman age. We got Aman age is 20 years and Aman's son is 20 years and Aman age is 60. Okay, now exercise 2.5. In this exercise, question number 1, 2 and 3 is the same questions. So I am solve question number 1. Here x upon 2 minus 1 and is equal to x upon 3 plus 1/4. Firstly, we solve separately the terms, like terms one side and numbers will be another side. Okay, so x upon 3 comes here, so this become minus, and 1 upon 3 comes here, so this become plus. Okay, now taking LCM and solve for x, so we got a value of x equal to 27 upon 10. Now if check, so in these equations we have to put the value of x here 27 upon 10 and here also 27 upon 10, and taking LCM and solve equations, so we got 23 upon 20 here and here. So we can say easily LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, now question number 2, 3 same as question number 1. So you have to solve this and this in your homework. Okay, now question number 4, 5, 6. Here 4, 5, 6 is the same questions. So I solve question number 6, that is important question. Okay, so see here, This is your 6 questions. Firstly, we arrange the one variables one side and numbers will be second side. So here this goes here, so this become plus. Okay, now here left one only. Taking LCM and solve for this. Taking LCM is 6 and solve for, so we got the value of 6 multiply here, so we got 5m minus 1 is equal to 6 and 5m is equal to, ये इस तरफ जाएगा तो ऐड हो जाएगा, then 7. Now m is equal to 7 upon 5. So this is our answer. and इस इक्वेशन में m की वैल्यू पुट करके हमको LHS एंड RHS की वैल्यूज फाइंड करनी है. ओके, you can solve easily, I think. Question number 7 is here. Firstly, we are multiplying by t and 3 and 3 into 3, and here 5 into 2t and 5 into 1. So we got these equations and separate for like term one side, another side one side, another number one side. So we got t is equal to minus 2, and check this number, we have got LHS is equal to RS. Okay, same as question number 8 is here. Solve and find the value of y and put the value of y in this equation, then we find LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so this question in your homework also. Question number 7, this one, and question number 8 is your homework. If you don't solve, so see this solution. Now question number 9 is same as question number 8. Simply we have to find firstly the value of z and again check the answers for z is equal to 2. Okay, now question number 10 is a same question, but here the values is in the point. So firstly we are multiplying 25 into 4, so we got 1.0 f. Again 25 multiplied by 3, so we get 7.75. and RHS, in RHS 0.5 multiplied by 10 and 0.5 multiplied by 9, so we got these equations. After that, like term one side, numbers will be one side. For solve for f, we got f is equal to 0.6 and put the value of 0.6, put the value of f 0.6 in this equations and check LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, this is you have to check in your registers. Exercise 2.6, this is your last exercise. So here question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is the same questions. We are solving one questions and remaining question you have to solve in your homework. Okay, so your first question is here, 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. Firstly we are multiply 3x to here, so we got 3 to the 6x. Okay, so we got these equations, and same as here, like term one side and numbers will be one side, we got this, and solve for this, find the value of x is 3 by 2. Okay, now second question is same as question first, so we got x is equal to 35 upon 33. Okay, and remaining questions 3, 4 and 5 is your homework. Okay, now question number 6 is here, the age of Hari and Harry is the ratio 5:7. Suppose the age of Hari be 5x and Harry is 7x. According to question, 4 years from now means 4 साल बाद in the ratio of their age will be 3/4. means suppose Hari की एज 5x है, तो after 4 years they become 4x, 5x plus 4 एंड हैरी की एज 7x है, तो दिस बिकम इक्वल टू 7x प्लस 4. ओके, 7x प्लस 4. But according to question, their ages will be equal to 3 by 4. Now solve for x. We got x is equal to 4. Now find the ratios. So we got 5. The age of Hari is equal to 5 into 4, 20. And age of Hari and Harry, this is age 28 years. Okay. This is their ages. Now last question of this exercise, question number 7. The denominator of a rational numbers is greater than its numerator by 8. Suppose numerator of rational numbers be x, then according to question denominator will be x plus 8. Now rational number is equal to x plus x upon x plus 8. According to question, न्यूमिनेटर इंक्रीज 17 मीन्स इसके न्यूमिनेटर को इंक्रीज कर दें 70 से, मीन्स एट 17. एंड डिनोमिनेटर डिक्रीज बाय 1 एंड डिनोमिनेटर में से -1 कर दें. ओके, न्यूमिनेटर में 17 ऐड कर दें एंड डिनोमिनेटर में 1 डिक्रीज कर दें. तो दिस बिकम टू 3/2. दिस इज इक्वल टू 3/2. ओके, सो वी गॉट दिस इक्वेशंस. x plus 7 upon x plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 3/2. Solve for x. Taking LCM and cross multiply, we got x equal to 13. Then our rational numbers is x upon x plus 8. So numerator is equal to 13 and denominator become 21. So finally answer, the rational number is 13 upon 21. Okay. So your chapter 2 has been completed. Solve it your fair copies. Okay, thanks.